All right, so my brake light is out. You can go ahead and just purchase these online. They're pretty simple. You can go ahead and first get the connector in the back here. You just want to pull it straight back like so. And then you can stick your thumb in here, have it pop out. All right, so the old boot actually only works. This new boot does not work, which is fine. So you go ahead and set the new light. Just make sure this is on the outside part of the trailer. Slide it in, pops in like that. And then your connector comes in the back here, slides in on a little rail.